Good afternoon, guys. Today I am day off. We'll be just roaming around and then going to eat and then going to the grocery later. 11 don't come half past when lay your troubles on your shoulders. Yeah, if you see this shop, this is where I bought these sunglasses that I am wearing now. Yeah, they have so many in there. Nice. Yeah, I came from the Filipino shop and I bought this B-cut. This is a potato chips. I just want to carry my bike walking like this, because like this I see more things. Yeah, if you notice the trees now are having leaves starting to grow. They're doing some improvements in this park. Yeah, and if you notice, you know, that area, that Albora Marina, bike is not allowed there. But whenever I'm going there, I just keep on walking, carrying the bike. A lot of people here this time, and you know, I still didn't have my lunch, and I'm thinking where to eat. Yeah, maybe I'll go back there. I hope that they are still open. Look, there's one boat sailing, there's one bird, my bike. Nice weather today, we're going to eat here. Yeah, they are closed already. We are so late. Okay, they are closed. We're going to find another place to eat. Maybe they are open. Yeah, this is a fishing area. Fishing here is just recreation, and at the same time, you know, recreation for you have something to eat later on. I want to eat in this seafood restaurant, but I don't know where to leave my bike. Maybe just somewhere here. This restaurant looks expensive, but it doesn't matter. I can afford, mate. We're leaving the bike there. I think this restaurant is still open. Yeah, this restaurant accepts just cash, but they have another shop where I can pay with my card. This is just one. This seafood market, and this Bob's restaurant. So yeah, this is the restaurant. If you can see, there's one pelican there. And there's another one on the water. And this is where I'm supposed to eat, but I don't know where to park my bike in there. So this is the fish and chips. Very simple packaging. The chips and the fish and the dressing. Nice. The butter looks really nice. Yeah. Satisfied with the meal that I just had, but it's okay. I'm not going to have a coffee somewhere from there. There are so many small fish there, and there are some a little bigger. good to see those fish. But you know, fishing is not allowed in this area because this is a parking area for the yacht. Yeah, and I have this coffee. This is $5 large. I bought it from the other coffee shop, from that restaurant. I always sit here, but this time I think I like it there more. We're just sitting here, and you know, in the restaurant where I bought this coffee, yeah, the guy that is working there is actually the guy that I am supposed to live with. Yeah, because you know, when I first arrived here in Australia, I know here in Port Stephen, I stay in a backpacker guest house for around 1 week, and then looking for an apartment to stay, and then I saw this ad in Gumtree, and that is the guy. I went to his apartment, and he actually drive me with his car. We go to his apartment and show me the room. Yeah, it's only $140 per week. Yeah, I said that I am going to think about it, and then on that night he sent me a message that there is one lady that is going to occupy that room. So yeah, and the good thing is I found a new apartment, and that is where I am staying now, which is $250 compared to his one, which is $140. But you know, I like where I am staying now. Yeah, we had a little conversation, and he mentioned that he is also having a 457 visa and now waiting for the permanent resident visa. He already applied, just waiting for the permanent resident visa approval. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to apply for permanent resident, because I don't know, I'll just go with the flow. I like it here, but to be honest, I like it more in the Philippines. I just don't have money in the Philippines. Yeah, but when I'm financially ready, I will be going back to the Philippines and yeah, stay in a good life there. I don't know, life is not easy to decide if you are experiencing the good life here. I choose to stay here under the sun, because if I am in the place without the sun, it feels cold. So here is better. Yeah, it's still cold. The wind is cold if you are in the shady area. Hey, look at this. The water is very clear. Yeah. We're not going down, but we're just going to have a look. The summer comes, we're going to snorkel in this area, because this is actually the snorkeling area. I did snorkel before here, but not totally, because I am scared in the water. Because you know, if you are first time in the water, you see this those plants that are moving inside down there, you'll be scared. It's because you're going to see those plants for the first time and they are moving. Yeah, a little scary. Yeah, everywhere there are people that are fishing and swimming. Yeah, so the sun has just got down and those pelicans are still there. And we are going home now. Now we are going to grocery. I don't have rice at home. I finished yesterday. Yeah. Basically, we're just going to buy rice and something else. Do you know? My budget for 1 week is just, I mean, not more than $50. Yeah, maybe $25 per week. Yeah, can you hear the noise? A lot of birds. We can't stop. We're feeling so strong. We've got the world to hand on. Can't stop. Just gotta and right. I always sing, even if I don't know the lyrics. Yeah, we're going to leave that bike again and we're going inside to buy something. Yeah, this is the oatmeal that we are using in the breakfast in our restaurant. And this is the one that I always buy. Yeah, because this is the cheapest. But this time we are going to try another, a little expensive. Yeah, This is my first time to have this. This is $4.90. No, it's $675. Ah, no, I don't like that. It's expensive. Maybe this one. Yeah, this. Yeah, the same, just different quantity. Okay, this is $4.49. And you know, at work, I sometimes asking my colleague what they had for breakfast. Yeah, they're just telling me they just had a coffee and a toasted bread or oatmeal, something like that. I was hoping for one of them to say I eat rice in the morning, but no, they don't eat rice in the breakfast. Yeah, it's just Filipino who eat rice for breakfast, man. I also bought one piece of salmon. It's here, and it's it's $26 per kg, but I get just one piece, and it is $5.83. Yeah, today I spent $24 for my week food. Hey guys, good morning. Yeah, I just finished the movie Spider-Man Homecoming, and I'm going to watch this. Yeah, I got a message. No, I got a call from my chef, and he's asking me to come to work today at 12 o'clock. Yeah, 12 to 9, so I still have 1 hour to prepare and get to work. I am day of today. I want to say no, but I say yes.